Self-practice 5.8, question 1. Complete the following crossword puzzle. Okay, so let's try the horizontal A first. Find the sum to infinity of geometric progression, this one. Okay, so the formula for sum to infinity is A over 1 minus R. Okay, so first we find the A. A is the first term. And then we find the R. So R is T2 divided by T1 or T3 divided by T2. So since we have everything, we just use this lah. T2 over T1. This will give us 1 over 3. Right. Now we can find S infinity. So S infinity is A over 1 minus R. A over 1 minus R. We get 2250. Done. So horizontal A2250. Alright. Let's try B. Wilson loaned 15,000 to buy a motorcycle. Every year he managed to reduce 50% of his loan. Find the maximum amount paid by Wilson. Okay, so since this is just reducing by half every year, this will also be S infinity. Because imagine you start with 15,000. Every time you reduce it by half. Half. Basically, it'll just go on and on and on. Because you're just reducing it by half. You're not reaching 0 exactly. So this will be S infinity. Right. So A is 15,000. R will be 50%. 50% is 50 over 100. This can be written as 0.5. Right. So S infinity is A over 1 minus R. A over 1 minus 0.5. We get 30,000. So this is the maximum amount he can pay for his motorcycle. So B 30,000. Done. Alright, let's look at vertical. Given that sum to infinity is this much, common ratio is R, so R is 1 over 2. Find the first term. So they want us to find A. So S infinity is A over 1 minus R. We know S infinity is this one. So 4480. A we don't know. R we know. So this whole thing bring here becomes times. So A will become 4480 multiplied by 1 minus 1 over 2. One over 2. 2240. So vertical C would be 2240. Done. Alright, last one. D. 4.818181 can be written in this form. Find the value of H. Okay, this is recurring decimal. Okay, to do this, what we need to do is, first we need to split the 4 and the recurring pattern. So 818181 is a recurring pattern, 4 is not. Okay, so what we do is, we split it like this, then we try to settle this. Okay, to do this, first we let x equals to 0.818181. Okay, then next we need to multiply so that the decimal is after the pattern. So our pattern is 81, right? The decimal must be after the 81. So here we must times by 100 to get 81.818181. Why we do this is so that when we minus this with this, we will get rid of the decimal. So 100x minus x is 99x equals to 81. Okay, this minus this, we get this. This minus this, we get this. So we got rid of the decimal. So then x is 81 over 99. Okay, we don't stop there. 81 over 99 is just this portion. We need to plus 4. So we can say 4 plus 81 over 99 equals to h over 11. So this one we can use the help of our calculator. We get 53 over 11. Therefore, h is 53. Done. That's it.